It's Monday morning, 26th of August. We're about to head down the San Boldo Pass. Quite popular because you go into the mountain for each turn rather than being on the outside. We shall see. Anything to add?
No, if you stop, we can go to the I can go to the toilet and have a coffee before the 19 Tornantes.
Okay, well I'll turn the video off now so we don't see that happen.
Okay.
Them go.
Go, let's go, please. Well, you are in...
There's the San Boldo Pass.
Ah, this is the one-way thing.
There's a set of traffic lights at the top and bottom. Little parking spots for people. Very interesting.
That's it?
That's it.
Oh, oh nice valley. Are
Beautiful.
You still filming?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it up the top there. Okay.
Interesting pass. I must say that the other one we were without the traffic lights, two ways.
Yeah.
It was more adrenaline.
Well, this one, you know, there's no one coming up against you, you know, or coming down.
I'm just saying it's more adrenaline than the other one.
Oh yeah.
Nice valley though.
Yeah, beautiful view.
Yeah. And you don't really realize when you're on the other side of the pass. Because
Yeah. Okay, camera's going off.
Yep.
We have just been down through the where was it? The San Boldo Pass, and now we've had a cup of coffee break on our way back up the hill again.
20 past 11.
11:20, and it's quite warm.
In the valley, yeah.
I'd like another layer to be able to take off, but I've only got a t-shirt and a jacket without a vest. But anyway, with the look of it,
almost single track.
yeah, yeah, nice and narrow.
Yeah, just the way Anca likes it.
Oh, a bit of a scenic run.
Definitely scenic. We've been through vineyards and orchards and all sorts.
Well, we got to get up on top of those hills, and I'm not sure how the road will do this, but
we will see.
yeah.
Isn't it?
Oh, good. Oh, we've got someone up front.
So what's today? Monday the 25th? Yeah?
Well, yes, I think you said 26th.
26th.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure. What's all this telling us?
I don't
We go around him. Let's go.
Hold on.
I'm going to go around him. You want to go in front?
No, you can enjoy the single track.
Well, we'll see what presents.
Yeah. I'm going with 30. It doesn't mean that I'm punishing you. It's just
Yeah, you're doing the speed limit. I don't know what that all says. Not being an Italian, I got no hope. Yeah, it's widened up like a highway. Got enough room for two cars to come through here. It is nice. It's probably about 10 minutes later now since my last video, and not much has changed. We've got lots of switchbacks, and you would never know there's a road here when you're looking from the outside. It's
we
just
have canopy of
yeah.
trees.
All clear. We're getting towards the top, I suppose.
Talk about Stelvio Pass. Come in.
Yeah.
Switchbacks.
Yeah.
They're very tight.
I'd hate to see a bus turning on one of these.
Yes. Or a caravan.
Yeah.
So far we only saw two mammals.
Yeah, two guys on push bikes, that's it. Oh, three guys. All good.
On San Bernardino Pass. Ordino, whatever it's called.
San Boldo? Or?
Boldo, yeah. Come here and do this one.
Yeah.
Nice road as well.
Oh,
Quite
it's good.
interesting considering it's in nowhere.
Yeah. Certainly starting to get a bit of a view off into the distance. Yeah. Oh, wide turn this one. Plenty of room. Okay. I don't know what that says.
Oh, wow.
Someone with good Italian will be able to represent.
La Chiera. Austro-Ungarico. Position for the military in the Austro-Hungarian War, 1915-1980. Just yeah, it's about the
About the war.
war. Yeah. Wow. You look up and just anyway.
Well, here I can look down. It is a long way down there. Wow.
You can do rock climbing here.
Yeah. You can pull up here and have a look if you want.
You know, in my height.
Yeah, I know.
I dropped the bike already once today.
Yeah.
Broke my end of the lever.
Yep.
So today I can't be doing this.
Okay, I won't trust you today. Nice forests here. All good. For a long way. They have done a wonderful job on this side of the mountain, that's for sure. The road is smooth as. Yeah. Mountains from there to everywhere. That was a good little pass, that. Very interesting. Beautiful views of the forests and of the land beyond. It was good.
What is that?
Looks like Ned Kelly, but a straw man.
It's Kelly.
Agordina, and
We are back in Agordina. We've been yesterday.
yeah,
Bit slippery roads.
Yes.
From a light shower.
we stopped for lunch. It was stinking hot, and we've had a bite to eat. Come back out, and
Look at that.
there has,
Balcony road.
yeah, there has been a little bit of rain, and the road's slippery as anything. Well, water coming down here. Oh, that's from the recent rain.
You need to wipe the lens, by the way. Because
Yeah, I've done that.
Are you done that?
Yeah. Interesting little tunnel.
Long balcony.
Huh. Yeah.
Anca had a bit of rodeo with Kermit.
Yeah, both bikes have been slipping on
Yeah.
the road. That's for sure.
Taking it easy a bit.
Yeah.
So we are not affected. Morocco.
Morocco. Ah, we're going around to the right here. All good.
Yeah.
Steady, steady.
Isn't it? Look at that.
It's beautiful. I just put
It's like multiple cathedrals.
yeah, I put the camera on for a sec just to get a little glimpse. Yeah, very nice.
I really like the cathedrals. Just
Yeah. Okay, and that's the other side of the valley, kind of where we came from, over there. So,
Are you
Sareda.
with video?
Yes, I'm with video. 1369 meters. Betsy, what do you think? Ah, pisser.
Peace on you.
Yeah. Okay. Ah, look at the bambino. All flowered up.
Cute.
Okay, what's going on? Cute tractor truck of some sort. Alright. Too many kids for our liking.
Yes.
So we move on. Just a little switchback. Cute. Very cute. Hello, there you are. I got a wave this time round.
Yes, you did.
You were elsewhere last time. The set of waterfalls.
Yeah,
Wonderful. Onwards.
with the Dolomites in the background.
Yeah, I didn't even notice, but I'm all rocked out now.
You had your fill?
Yeah, we've had days and days of rocks. Must be boring for anyone watching this.